One of the major struggles in my life right now is to generate new ideas to create videos, and I suck at generating ideas. But my whole perspective of idea generation and originality changed when I came across a book, which we'll be talking about in this video.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In case you are new here, my name is Nikhil Sheoran and today we are talking about 5 key insights that I personally resonate a lot with from this incredible book Steal Like an Artist by Austin Kleon. While the title seems clickbait, it is a very apt and concise description of what we will be talking about today. First is this idea that there's nothing new and originality is just a myth. Now, I'm not just talking about Bollywood remakes of South Indian films. I'm saying that every piece of creative work that exists today is copied from stuff that existed before it. And there's a beautiful line from the book that I would love to quote. Originality is just undetected plagiarism. When you copy from one person, it's plagiarism. But when you copy from a lot of people, it's research. And when I script my videos, I tend to do a lot of this research, and most parts of my videos are in fact stolen from a lot of other YouTube videos / blogs / articles on the same topic, but I bet you won't be able to figure out because A, it's highly unlikely that most of you guys will ever stumble across those videos or blogs, and even if you do, you would probably not remember my videos by then. And B, the human mind is not capable of copying perfectly. So while copying, I make a lot of mistakes, which in turn are responsible for the uniqueness of my content. And this leads me to the conclusion that everything that needs to be said has already been said. But since no one was listening, everything must be said again. And in case you think I made up that quote, I hate to break it to you, but it's just undetected plagiarism. Anyway, moving on to the third insight. You are essentially the average of everything that you surround yourself with. If you surround yourself with smart, hardworking people and consume self-growth content like books and podcasts and follow successful people, chances are you will soon end up like them. There's a saying that goes, if you are the smartest person in a room, then you should probably find another room. Fourth, do boring stuff. Because to do creative work, you need a lot of mental energy. And if you drain out this mental energy doing some other fun stuff that requires this mental energy as well, you won't be very creative. And I've felt this personally. A lot of times when I don't actively think very hard about being creative and just do routinely things, I somehow start to get lots of new ideas and thoughts, which I then write down somewhere so that I don't forget them later. And last, to be a creative professional in any field, you need to have 4 things. Curiosity to learn, kindness to make friends and ignore enemies, the stamina to keep playing the game in the long term, and perhaps the thing that holds most people back, the willingness to look stupid and to be laughed upon. So that's it for today. If you are interested in knowing why I learned to write with my non-dominant hand, that video is here. Thanks for watching and I'll see you there.